Welcome to Georgetown, Guyana. Oh, beautiful Guyana. Nature, ours to care and enjoy. Let's work together for a clean Guyana. And my personal favourite, do the right thing to keep Guyana clean. I'm in Georgetown, Guyana, and that concept has failed upon deaf ears. I hate to start with a negative viewpoint. This is absolutely filthy. So here's my concept. I mean, look at the state of this. This is right on the bayside. Look at the state of that. In the past 700 to 800 meters, I have been walking along this, whatever you'd like to call it, little area out by the bay, and there are bottles everywhere. These are Coke bottles, these are V bottles, these are Red Bull bottles. All of them have 10 cents recyclable on there. I don't even know if there's a recyclable station in Georgetown, Guyana, but it's not good. Just filth. If you were to collect for 5 hours a day, half a day's work, you could collect 3,000 bottles at 10 cents a bottle. That's $300. 300 American dollars. And you could make an absolute fortune each day picking up this filth. I'm not here to preach. So it looks like an okay area. But I'll just pick a random spot and we'll go down. Dear oh dear. In that 5 meter walk, 5 meters, I could have collected 30 bottles. There's $3. There's 1 minute of your time. $3. Pretty good. 5 meters. Look at this. This gets worse and worse. Dear oh dear. Even the weasels are in on it. I was about to say I saw a weasel before and I just saw 3 then. Stoats or whatever they might be called. Nice house there. Hotel. Beautiful birds are here, bird life. Weasels. And a lot of rubbish. There has to be anacondas in here. Let's get a bit of positivity going. Carl Llewellyn Hooper, born 15th of December 1966. Right hand bat, wonderful right arm off break as well. One of my favourite players growing up, just a beautiful technique. Great player from Guyana, Carl Hooper. I'll go get a chicken sandwich, I think. I love Guyana. Look, I feel terrible about my first post and my theories on the rubbish. This place is beautiful. I take it all back. I still think there's room to move on the recycling without a doubt. But having toured around to that same location last night, it's absolutely beautiful. And there's heaps of markets in that area. I'll go down there again today. The waters were up, there was no rubbish viewable, and it was awesome. Look at that. One Guyana. Friendship and happiness. And that's exactly what I've got here. This over the road here is an Amerindian temple. And that's the National Trust. GUYANA. These guys are from Indonesia. And they're just enjoying themselves. But look at this. Apparently this went up in flames a couple of years ago. Obviously rebuilt. But it's pretty cool to the indigenous tribes. An indigenous term to describe the huge binabs they use as meeting places. GUYANA. Oh, so these guys are from the bush. Look at that. Impressive. I'm not talking about the Marriott Hotel behind it. Culture.